In a similar way to AC voltage measurement, you can measure DC voltage. For a DC voltage, the waveform is a straight line. Make sure DC is selected by the input selection switch. Turn the input selection knob to ground. The trace moves up 2 divisions. Note that in this step, the instrument's input is internally disconnected from the applied input signal and connected to ground. Since the volts per division knob is set to 1, the value of the DC voltage is 2 volts. The fact that the trace moves down when the DC voltage is selected indicates a negative DC voltage is applied to the input of the oscilloscope. Some waveforms are made up of AC and DC voltages. To determine whether the waveform contains DC voltage, turn the voltage selection switch to DC. If the waveform moves, then it has a DC component. Because the waveform moved up, the DC voltage has a positive polarity. It is important to note that when the switch is on AC, DC is blocked but AC goes through. But when the switch is on DC, both AC and DC go through.